In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a normal photo into an anime cartoon using Photoshop. This is a super fun effect that can completely transform your images into something that looks hand-drawn and stylized. And the best part is you don't need any advanced skills to get started. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop. Once your photo is loaded, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac to duplicate the layer. This is important because you always want to work non-destructively. After duplicating, right-click on the new layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This will allow you to apply filters in a flexible way so you can tweak them later if needed. Now let's start shaping the face to get that anime look. Go up to Filter, then select Liquify. Inside the Liquify window, use the Face-Aware Liquify tool. Here you can increase the eye size, adjust the eye height, and slightly refine the face shape. Anime characters usually have larger eyes and smoother facial proportions, so don't be afraid to exaggerate slightly, but keep it natural enough so it still resembles the original person. Once you're happy, click OK. Next, we're going to smooth out the skin and remove realistic textures. Go to Filter, then Stylize, and choose Oil Paint. Set the stylization to around a 10 and cleanliness to about 7. This helps create that painted soft look. After that, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Surface Blur. This will further smooth out the skin while keeping the edges intact. Adjust the settings until the image looks clean and slightly cartoon-like. Now let's add those signature anime style outlines. Go to Filter, then Filter Gallery, then Artistic, and choose Poster Edges. Set the edge thickness very low, around 0 or 1, and increase the edge intensity. This will create thin, defined lines that mimic anime artwork. Click OK once you're satisfied. At this point, the image is starting to look stylized, but we need to enhance the colors to really sell the effect. Add a hue and saturation adjustment layer and increase the saturation slightly to make the colors pop. Then add a levels adjustment layer and tweak the contrast so the image looks more graphic and less like a photograph. This step really brings everything together, and if you're using Photoshop Beta, there's actually a quicker alternative. Simply select your subject, click on Generative Fill, and type in keywords like anime or cartoon, then hit Generate. Photoshop's AI will create variations for you automatically, which you can refine further if needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned a photo into an anime cartoon in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one!